In 2026, the fastest way to check your Social Security status, payments, and letters is your My Social Security account. The key update is simple. Social Security online services now use only Login.gov or ID.me to sign in. If you had an older Social Security username and password, that sign-in method is no longer available. To keep access, you'll need to use Login.gov or ID.me, and your benefits are not changed by making this transition. Start by going to the official My Social Security page and choosing Sign In or Create an account. Social Security will prompt you to pick one of the two credential providers, Login.gov or ID.me. If you already use Login.gov or ID.me for another government service, you can usually use that same account. If not, you'll create a new one and complete identity verification, which may include phone or document checks depending on your situation. Once you're signed in, focus on the four most useful areas for most people. The first is payments. This is where you confirm upcoming and past deposit dates using the benefit payment schedule, which helps you avoid false missing payment alarms. The second is letters. The most commonly requested document is the benefit verification letter, sometimes called a proof of income or proof of benefits letter. You can view it instantly, download it, and print it when needed for housing, loans, or assistance programs. The third is tax forms, where you can access your Social Security benefit statement forms such as your 1099 for tax season, which saves a lot of time compared to waiting for mail. The fourth is direct deposit and contact info. If you're changing banks or updating personal details, online tools may help, but always follow the prompts carefully, because sensitive changes can require extra verification steps. Now, the most common problem: I can't log in. If your password fails, use the password reset inside Login.gov or ID.me rather than creating a second account. Creating duplicates is a common reason people get stuck. If you get locked out, slow down and confirm you're using the exact same email you used to create Login.gov or ID.me. Many login failures are simply caused by using a different email than the original account email. If you can't complete identity verification online, use the official help guidance for SSA through Login.gov Support Resources or SSA's Transition FAQ, because they explain what to do when online verification isn't possible. If you only need one thing quickly, here's the shortcut order. For payment timing, open the benefit payment schedule first. For proof of benefits, open Get Benefit Verification Letter next. For taxes, go straight to 1099 forms inside the account. A final safety note: only sign in through official government pages and never trust random links from texts or emails. The real My Social Security experience always routes through Login.gov or ID.me and then back to SSA. Once you can sign in successfully, your account becomes the simplest way to check status, confirm payments, and download official letters without waiting on the phone or the mail.